Hello friends, welcome to Code Developer. In this video we will learn another interesting problem. The problem is this, that find um, minimum bit flips to convert a number, okay, to another number. So let's say I have two numbers, a which is equal to 10 and b which is equal to 7. We need to find out how many bits um, in its binary number we need to flip to convert this binary number to this binary number. Okay, so basically how many bit flips are required to convert 10 to 7. Okay, how we can solve it is basically here I have used XOR operation and I have figured out XOR between a and b. So what this XOR will give me is basically number of bits which are different between these two binary numbers. So this bit is different and this bit is different, so XOR of these two will be um, XOR of these two will be 1 1 0 1. Okay, so here we have figured out how many bits are different between 10 and 7. Okay, now what I need to figure out, I just need to figure out how many bits are 1, or basically how many bits are set in this particular uh, binary number. How we can do this is basically I initialize count variable to get the result. I'm running a while loop while my c is greater than 0. Basically while my c is not equal to 0, I'm running this loop. I'm counting the result in this count variable. I'm adding +1 to it, and here what I'm doing is I am performing AND operation between c and c minus 1. Okay, so what this operation does is basically it clears the lowest set bit. Okay, so I have also printed the binary representation of c, and we will see in output how it is finding out number of set bits. So this particular operation is basically clearing the lowest set bit. So we clear one lowest set bit and we assign it again to c. In next iteration we again clear lowest set bit and we assign the result to c. We do this continuously till c becomes 0. Okay, uh, let's execute this program. Okay, so as you can see in terminal, okay, initially, like after first while loop, uh, c be- c becomes 1100. So originally c was 1101, it cleared one lowest set bit, so c becomes 1101. In next loop it becomes 1001, and in third loop it becomes 0. So number of flips required to convert 10 to 7 is 3. Okay, that's how we arrive at the solution. This is very interesting problem that can be asked in interviews as well as in various coding contests. So if you like this problem and solution, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn more about bit manipulation operations, please watch my other video where I have explained various bit manipulation techniques in Python. Thank you.